Today's breakfast is a citrus fruit salad with blueberries. It's got orange in there, clementines, kiwi. It's really, really colourful, amazing looking fruit salad. It also has some vegan cheesecake. It's got, instead of just putting dried fruit and nuts on your fruit salad, you can actually make a vegan cheesecake, which is really inexpensive. The topping is made out of cashew nuts. It's actually a lime and clementine cheesecake. The base is made out of nuts and dried fruit, so you can mix those and blend it together and press it into a vessel, and then pour over the cashew nut topping, which has got, this one has lime and clementines in, and then you can sprinkle on top, which this one has a little bit of cocoa powder, and it's actually got a little bit of pistachio nuts as well. Very good, keeps the weight on the body and keeps you very, very healthy, and it's very, very well food combined. Have a lovely day.